there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 8 and let's see the question number 2. So the question is, write a Java program to find the largest of three numbers using if-else statements. So the input format must be three decimal numbers which are A, B and C. So let's see how to find the largest of three numbers. So as they had said, let's take the numbers as A, B and C. A, B and C. First of all, let us take if A is the largest of three numbers. If A is largest of three numbers, then what must be the condition? That is, how to find out that A is greater than all three numbers. We can say A is greater than all three numbers among all the three numbers if A is greater than both B as well as C. So here we will use AND because both the statements must be true. Here A greater than B as well as A greater than C. So what can be the second case? The second case can be B is greater than all the three numbers, like among all the three numbers. Then what must be the condition? So B must be greater than both A as well as C. So we'll write B greater than A and B greater than C. And what can be the third case? The third case is when C is the greatest among all the three numbers. C. If these both conditions are wrong, then automatically C is the greatest among all the three numbers, right? So these are the conditions, and let's use the conditional statements and write the code. So here let me create the Java file. So I'll name it as largest among 3.java. So quite a big name. So let me write public class largest among 3. Now let's write the main method. So first of all, we need to take the input of three numbers, right? So let me create the scanner object, new scanner and system.in. So here we will need to import the scanner class from the URL package in Java. Okay, so now we will use this object to take input of three numbers and find out which is the largest one. So let us create three variables. As we have got the question that they are the decimal type of numbers, we will be using not the int data type but some other data type. So we can use double. So I am using double and the variable name is A, and here it should be ob dot next double. So here we can take the input from the user. Similarly, I'll create the variables for B and C. Similarly, ob dot next double, again double C. So that's it. We have got the three inputs from the user. Now we will check the conditions. So we'll write the basic syntax of the conditional statements. Here if, then we have else if, and finally we will have else. So if and else if will have the conditions. So what is the first condition? The first case, which is A is the largest among three numbers. So when will A be largest number? So when A is greater than both B and A is greater than C. So here what we should print? We should print the largest number, right? So let's write the print statement. The largest num is. So here I will be concatenating the number A. So let's come to the second condition. So the second case is when B is greater than B is the largest among 3 numbers. So what is the condition? B must be greater than both B and C, both A and C. So let's write B greater than A as well as B greater than C. So here we will print out that the largest num is B. And finally, if these both conditions fail, that both A and B are not the largest number, obviously the largest number would be C, right? So we will write the largest num is C. Simple. So we will use simply here the conditional statements and find out which is the largest number. And finally, we will close the object. That's it. So let's run the code. I have opened the terminal using the shortcut. So let me compile the code. So pretty big name for the file, largest among 3.java. Now the code has compiled successfully. So let me run the file. So first we have to give the input. So let me give 5.5, 6.8. Let us give a short number 1.2. So the largest number among 3 is 6.8, and that's true. We have got the output. So here you have learned how to find the largest number among 3 numbers. That's it for this video. Do join the WhatsApp group to get more updates on the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by VCode. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.